Boomhower here. Here is my video on main idea. I'm going to start with our LEQ and our objective for the lesson, and then I'm going to dive in. LEQ for today. Why is it important to understand the main idea of a text? Objective. I can identify sentence details that best states the main idea of a text. Here's our first slide. In order to do this lesson, you need to understand what is the main idea. Well, the main idea tells you, the reader, what the story is mostly about. Now, remember, main idea can be a part of a paragraph, a long story, short story, a novel. But remember, you're trying to find what the main idea is. So that's usually just a sentence or two. Here's our guided practice for today. I'm going to read you the passage first for your first read, and I want you to follow along with your tracking finger and eyes. Soccer. Cody is a great soccer player. He practices every day after school. Cody plays for his school soccer team. So far this year, he has scored 6 goals. Cody can kick the ball very far. He can also run very fast. Everyone thinks that Cody is the best soccer player they know. I'm going to give you a chance now to read on your own, 30 seconds for your second read. Track your screen, go. Okay, I'm going to read for a third time. Please track your screen with me as I read. Soccer. Cody is a great soccer player. He practices every day after school. Cody plays for his school soccer team. So far this year, he has scored 6 goals. Cody can kick the ball very far. He can also run very fast. Everyone thinks that Cody is the best soccer player they know. Question number 1. What is the main idea of the paragraph above? Now remember, main idea means what is the story mostly about? So looking back in the text, when we are answering a short answer response or an extended response question, we are always going to restate the question. So a good response would start with, the main idea of this paragraph is, here's my answer. The main idea of this paragraph is that Cody is a great soccer player. I went in and underlined that in the text because I know that evidence supports my answer. Here's question number 2. Which detail best supports the main idea? Well, we know the main idea is that Cody's a great soccer player. So let's go through our options. Remember to use your rude strategies. Eliminate answers you know that are wrong. He wears glasses, Cody goes to school, or he can kick the soccer ball very far. There's definitely one answer that makes the best sense. Do we know if he wears glasses? And does that really matter? Nope, eliminate it. B, Cody goes to school. Well, he does go to school because he plays on the soccer team. But C is going to be the right best answer. He could kick the ball very far. You notice why I went back into the text and underlined that. Okay, slide number 2. I'm going to read to you this paragraph and you're going to track and follow along with me. Bananas grow on trees. They are yellow and grow in bunches. They are long and they curve a little bit. You peel them before you eat them. Strawberries are different from bananas. They grow on plants and do not grow in bunches. You don't have to peel them to eat them. They are red. Now remember, the question says, what is the main idea of this paragraph? Restate the question and then give an answer that's telling us what is this paragraph mostly about. 15-second think time. Go. Hey, here's my response. The main idea is that there are many differences between the two fruits, bananas and strawberries. I also went back into the text and underlined bananas and strawberries and that they are different. Last slide, boys. Here is our sample passage on trunks. Please read along with me as I read your first read with you. Trunks. Elephants use their trunks for many things. First, they use them to drink water and wash themselves. They also use their trunks to pick up food and put in their mouth. A trunk to an elephant is like a hand to a person. Elephants' trunks are very important. Please read for a second time, 30 seconds on your own. Go. Okay, I'm going to read for a third time, so please track your screen and use your tracking eyes and finger. Trunks. Elephants use their trunks for many things. First, they use them to drink water and wash themselves. They also use their trunks to pick up food and put it in their mouth. A trunk to an elephant is like a hand to a person. Elephants' trunks are very important. Question number one. What is the main idea of the paragraph above? This is an extended response, so restate the question. What are you learning mostly about? The main idea would be that elephants' trunks are very important. If you are an elephant, you don't have a trunk, you're not going to survive. Name two details that support the main idea. Well, the main idea is that trunks are very important to elephants. So, what are some details you know support that? Going back to the text, I can tell you that there's actually three. Go find them. 10 seconds. Okay, and I'm looking back in the text and I see that two details that support the main idea are that elephants use their trunks to drink water and to wash themselves. Now, you could also choose that they use their trunks to pick up food as well. This is our lesson for today on main idea. I hope that it helps you, and I will see you again next time.